We are off to snorkel on a beach, and apparently we could possibly see iguana's nests.
Not in the sea.
On the walk. I hope we see sharks and turtles and
little fish and cardboard boxes.
Some rocks.
Yeah.
I really hope we don't see cardboard boxes.
Ready and raring to go. Who's excited? Yeah. Woo!
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
It is honestly bloody beautiful here. That might have been one of the coolest times I've ever been snorkeling. Literally seeing like 4 turtles in a row was just great. We're walking back to the black beach now, just to chill out and hopefully get a little bit of a suntan. Crabs. So we got a lunch just after snorkeling, and this is a lemon apparently.
I think it's for the fish.
Well, I'm gonna put it on my chicken. What are you gonna do about it?
No, you're not supposed to do that.
You're doing it wrong.
You're doing it wrong.
Thank you.
We're off to the Highlands. I think we're walking up over there, or if there's another area which is high. And then we can see the whole island from there apparently, which is exciting. And the sun has come out again. I'm pretty sure we're already a little bit burnt. Well, I definitely am, because I've got marks. Oh god, this, don't know if you can see it. That stupid mark right there. You definitely can't see that. So yeah, I'm determined not to go home white, and we have about 3 weeks left. That's disgusting to say out loud, that we have 3 weeks left until we go back home. How are you feeling about that? Yeah, I think so. We're not This is good though. Galapagos is like heaps of fun. Like, it's not as like hectic as I thought. Like, I still feel like I'm worn out all the time, but it's
That's
like,
just 'cause you don't get a fucking nap.
yeah, there's, yeah,
I'm a big baby right now.
I'm excited. We're on the hunt for some turtles. Dun, dun, give me a beat. Let the beat in. Turtle. Who's your daddy?
All the stuff stuck in
He's like, I'm me, bye.
Oh, this one beside him.
Another turtle.
Good.
Another turtle. He's scared. Oh, there's a turtle upside down.
Oh, good.
Oh, we are in the labyrinth. There's man-made holes and things. They don't know what for. Maybe to keep cows. Somewhere you can get lost in. Yeah. It's kind of like a maze. Oh, Jesus.
No one made it, isn't it?
And this is the island.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a pirate cave. And here we have a pirate. What's all the holes for? Are they like shelves?
Oh, I know what that is.
That's a
the
toilet.
fire.
It's a toilet.
Because there's a chimney.
That is the kitchen.
Ah,
The oven and the stove.
The oven and the stove.
cool.
They started to come to Galapagos. They use the island to fix the boats. They use the wood they can find in the island, and sometimes they collect the animals, they collect the tortoises. But somebody has a very bad idea or good idea at that moment to release goats in the island.
Goats.
Yes. What happened with the goats? They're gonna eat everything if it's green.
So there's all these cute postcards that go in the post box, and the idea is you look through and see if there's any which are close to home, and you hand deliver them, or you deliver them when you're at home, and it's super cool. We've got Brazil,
Let's put a stamp on them. I'm gonna have to fucking pay for
Peru, I guess.
The idea.
So you,
Deliver it yourself.
Switzerland and Germany.
Queensland.
I don't know, that one doesn't have one on.
Bulgaria. Floreana.
Switzerland. This is so cool. So we found one in the Galapagos, which is for Paul. So we will be hand delivering this to you. It's here currently in the flesh. Right, well, we're all writing our own postcards. I've written 2 back to myself. This is the first one. It's a pretty crappy postcard. That one's just, you know, an average one. And then I got this one, which is cool. All of these animals are having sex. Ah, penguins. And I've written, please do not post in 2018, so that I can get it at least at least not this year. And I won't remember it, and I'll be happy that I've got it. So, as a memory. So let's see when it arrives.
Oh, nice.
I've even written, search Amy Morgan on YouTube to see me write this in the vlog. Self-promotion. Search me on Facebook and we can go for a date. Send nudes. Dun, 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 dun.
Well, now I'm being watched.
I thought you were good. Dun,
No, I never made that claim.
dun, 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 dun. Smashed it. Nice.
There's one right there.
Vlog. Hey, you're such a poser, aren't ya?
We're back at the hostel. It was a really good day. I got heaps sunburnt. Like, didn't expect it at all. But I don't know whether you can see. But yeah, very sunburnt, very red. Galapagos sun is hot. This is my new t-shirt, by the way. I don't know whether I showed you it yesterday. Galapagos. But yeah, we're just heading down for dinner and then going to the bar. So I'm just going to finish it here for the day because I know I videoed a lot today. We saw a lot of turtles and it was just an overall cool day. Do you reckon?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah? You had fun?
Yep, I had lots of fun. Kind of hoping to see something a bit different in the next couple of days.
Yeah, I want to see other animals. I really want to see penguins.
I still haven't even seen a booby.
Yeah, and a blue-footed booby. That's what we want to see because we've seen lots of tortoises, lots of turtles.
As much as turtles are great, I'm over it.
Yeah,
What?
I'm over the tortoises, the huge ones, because I've seen loads of them, and sea lions. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's vlog. So, night.